Today, we're checking out the brand new OPPO A7 Pro Max with a full unboxing and review. It launched just yesterday, and the big question is simple. Can its massive 10,000 milliamp hour class battery and claimed 7-year lifespan really set it apart? Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. On the front, you get a 6.78-inch 1.5K display with ultra-slim bezels and up to 1800 nits peak global brightness. While many phones in this price range still use full HD panels, this sharper screen delivers a more premium viewing experience, whether you're browsing or gaming. Our version is the successful Wave Edition, featuring a light blue back with a stylish 3D embossed finish. Up top is a full metal camera module with OPPO's signature repair curve design and built-in ambient lighting. It looks refined, and the lighting can be customized for call alerts or dynamic gaming effects. Now, here's the surprising part. Despite the huge 10,000 milliamp hour class battery, the phone weighs only 226 grams and is just 8.57 millimeters thick, so it remains surprisingly slim, light, and comfortable to hold. Durability is another big highlight. The OPPO A7 Pro Max has IP69K water and dust resistance, plus a super drop-resistant crystal steel frame. With one of the highest protection ratings on a smartphone, water exposure is less worrying, while the rugged build helps protect against accidental drops. But battery life is where this phone gets really interesting. Its 10,000 milliamp hour battery is claimed to be the industry's first with a 7-year battery lifespan. OPPO says 1 hour of video uses around 4%, while gaming uses about 5%. Even after years of use, it's designed to stay reliable. For work, streaming, or gaming, there's easily enough power for heavy all-day use. And charging doesn't disappoint. The A7 Pro Max supports 80-watt SuperCharge and 27-watt reverse charging, letting you power accessories like earbuds and other devices. So this isn't just a phone designed to eliminate battery anxiety. It can even become your pocket power bank when you're on the go. Another huge highlight, the OPPO A7 Pro Max is the industry's first smartphone to earn both China Quality Certification Center Gold Label Durability Certificate and Gold Label Level 1 Energy Efficiency Certificate. These dual gold labels show just how seriously OPPO focused on quality and long-term value. Now let's talk cameras. You get 50-megapixel sensors on both the front and rear. The main rear camera also supports OIS, helping deliver sharper, steadier photos with natural colors. For everyday shots or special moments, the camera setup is more than capable. But there's more. The A7 Pro Max supports enhanced weak network communication, NFC, infrared remote control, and a 300% ultra-loud volume mode. So for daily use, it's surprisingly well-equipped. Moving to software, the phone runs ColorOS 16, offering a smooth and stable experience. Its advanced memory compression technology intelligently manages resources, helping keep the system responsive even with multiple apps running. And here's a feature outdoor users will love: High Energy Outdoor Mode 2.0. You can pin up to 4 essential apps like calls, navigation, and food delivery, then switch between them quickly. Even in rain, dust, debris, or while wearing gloves, it's designed to stay reliable, perfect for people working outdoors. Security is another smart addition. During calls, AI can detect AI-generated voices and suspicious or fraudulent conversations, then show an instant warning. It also supports real-time AI face swap detection and hereditary susceptibility recognition. These features add another layer of protection, especially for older users who may be targeted by scams. Overall, the OPPO A7 Pro Max isn't trying to win with flashy features alone. Its real strength is durability. It's the industry's first smartphone combining a 7-year long-life battery with a 10,000 mAh class capacity, continuing OPPO A series' focus on reliability. And OPPO goes even further. You get a 1-year battery health booster and 2-year sleep frequency booster to support long-term reliability and reduce ownership costs. That's what makes this phone feel genuinely built to last. There's also a launch bonus. First sale buyers receive a free pair of long-range headphones worth 299 yuan, making the deal even more appealing. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the full in-depth review. Bye!